Hello and welcome. I'm really excited to start this journey with you toward health and wellness and play and fun every day. And really, how can you have fun if you don't feel well? So one of the most important things that you can do to really give your body the best chance at feeling as great as you can is hydration. There's some really simple things you can do, and I'm going to share a few of my favorite things with you today. First thing that I'm going to share with you is how I start my day. I traditionally have a single cup of coffee. It's good for your liver to give that cleansing boost drink to your system. But then when I'm done my coffee, I get a nice 32-ounce vessel and I add about half of a lemon. I mean, this is so simple it almost seems silly, but right here, 32 ounces of water. If I drink 2 of these a day, I pretty much hit my goal for water. I might have 2.5. And really, this water being warm and alkalizing is just so delicious and so nourishing and so simple. And really, it's just, once you start, you begin to crave it. So number 1, start off your day with a beautiful, hydrating, alkalizing lemon water. Yes, the next simple thing that I want to share with you is what I call my homemade Gatorade, my sports drink, without all the sugars and additives and colors. And really, when you're looking to replenish your body after you've exerted, whether you've exercised or just been out in your garden, you want to replace your electrolytes. And one of the simplest places that you can find in nature, in food, is good old real apple cider vinegar. And when I say real, I mean one that has what's called the mother of vinegar kind of floating in the bottom. It's a live, living enzyme. So I start with a capful. Right now I'm probably up to 6 capfuls because as you drink it more and more, you become tolerant of this. We think of it as acidic, but again, this living vinegar is an alkalizing liquid in your body. And you want to, that's the environment that you're looking to develop, is a true alkaline as opposed to acid environment in your body. So I do a capful of vinegar, a spoonful of some good honey, and a pinch of good salt. When I say good salt, I mean not highly processed, some sea salt. So all of those come together and create an alkalizing, sodium, glucose, potassium-rich beverage that helps your body. By adding these simple ingredients, you're creating a powerhouse of absorption for your hydration. So apple cider vinegar, honey, and a pinch of salt will replenish you, revitalize you, and give you what you need to get through the day. We discovered the green smoothie over a decade ago when my husband went raw and we realized that we were having trouble finding ways to get nutrient-dense food into his system with 3 meals a day. So the smoothie became the ultimate vehicle for nutrient-dense foods in a simple application. And of course, the foundation of these are greens. And I really feel like with all of this hydration and greens, in the springtime, we're mimicking nature. You know, the water rises up, the greens are coming out, and we need that just as nature provides our world around us. Really, the darker the green, the more nutrient dense. So I like to use baby spinach, some lacinato kale, which is literally like a sea blue green. I use a little parsley to help cleanse. Today I'm kind of excited because I went out foraging this morning into my back field and dug up this beautiful dandelion green. And I've soaked it in a little salt water, but the dandelion greens are nutrient dense, living foods. Before they burst out with flowers, they are delicious, edible. They're slightly bitter, but really just, I'm enjoying a little bit. Very mild. So I'm excited to include these in my smoothie today. I usually always add a banana, just for the viscosity, the richness. It makes a great vehicle for smoothies. But what I literally do is when my bananas start to get to be perfectly ripe, I throw this whole thing right in my freezer, just like this. And you'll find that when you go to use them in your smoothie, it's just a simple peel, and this frozen peel will strip right off. Let's see if I can show you that a little bit. So you have this delicious ripe banana, so lots of sweet flavor, ready to go, and it's nice and frozen, so it gives your smoothie that chilled, creamy goodness. So let's see how we stack this up. So again, I always start with greens on the bottom. That way, the good chopper blades can mince up these dark leafy greens into a beautiful smoothie. So I'm going to do spinach, parsley, kale, my dandelion. That will start the base of my smoothie. You've got your greens. You want to add some fresh fruit or some frozen fruit that you have. And if you're looking to make a vibrant green smoothie, then pineapple, peaches, frozen bananas are great vehicles. Mango is delicious. You can sometimes find those tropical blends. They just help everything stay bright and beautiful. You know that if you add strawberries and cherries, that red and green make brown. So we're looking for a vibrant green smoothie. So I've got my greens, I've got my fruit. I'm gonna boost this a little bit today. I like to use a little maca powder in mine. It's just a nice energy booster. I'm gonna use a little chia seeds. Let that soak for a little bit so those chias absorb all the nice liquid ahead of me ingesting it. Little bee pollen, and I like to use about a half a teaspoon of turmeric just to give me those anti-inflammatory properties. I'm also going to add a small amount of orange juice to this smoothie just to give it a little boost. All right, so you want to add about half a cup of water. I'm going to do that and take it over to the blender. So here you have your vibrant green smoothie full of rich, beautiful vegetables, fruits, and vitamins and minerals. So I wish you good health, enjoy the day, and have some fun.